Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download Roblox on your PC. So I'll show you guys how to download it for either Windows 10 or 11. It should also work for all other types of PCs as well. It's a pretty simple process, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. But first things first, you want to head over to any browser that you want to choose. Then make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. So once you're in your Roblox account, you want to find the game that you actually want to play. So go to whatever game you want to play. Let's say I want to play Build a Boat for Treasure. You want to go to that app, and you're going to be brought to this page here. Now, to download it, there's two ways you can do it. You can either go to the Microsoft Store and download Roblox from there, but personally, I don't like doing that. I like just using the Roblox app and the Roblox website. So if you want to download from the Microsoft Store, you can just search for that in the Microsoft Store. But if you want to download it from the Roblox website, you just go to the game that you want to play. Just click the play button. It's going to load like this for a bit. And then once it loads for a bit, it's going to give you a prompt to download and install Roblox, as you can see here. So once you see this option right here, you just want to click download and install Roblox, and then it will start to download it. So as you can see, it shows all the instructions right here. So what you do first, after this has been installed down here, you just click on this button right here and click open. Now once you do that, it's going to load for a bit, and it's going to click connecting to Roblox, configuring Roblox. It's going to start installing Roblox. Now you just have to wait until Roblox is completely installed, and then once it's completely installed, you should be able to play any game you want. So it should be a pretty small software, so you just have to wait a bit. But once it's done downloading, I'll show you exactly what to do from there. And as you can see, once it has finished downloading, it will say Roblox is successfully installed. Now it will give you a couple more instructions, but you just click OK right here. You close this. As you can see, you're not in the game. But to get join the game, you just have to click on the play button. It'll load for a bit. And it'll ask if you want to open Roblox with the application. So you click this option, this check mark right here. Always allow Roblox to open links of this type in the associated app. And then you click open Roblox. Once you do that, you should be able to join any game you want on Roblox. So that is how you download and install Roblox on your PC. It can work for any game that you want and any type of computer. I just used Windows. I'm on Windows, so I used Windows, but it works on laptops, Chromebooks, whatever you want to use. So that is how you do it. As you can see, I am now in the game. But that is how you download and install Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions you have in the comment section below, I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys